The point of rotation of the triangle here is right here. This is the centroid of the triangle, and this is on 0, 0 of the Python graphics plane. Now, to draw this triangle here, what we need to do is I will first draw a generating line from 0, 0 here up to one corner of the triangle, and the length of this generating line is 250. Now this generating line is invisible because before I drew the line with 250 pixels, I let the pen up first, and then I go to 0, 0, the centroid of the triangle, and then I drew the line to 50. So again, this line is invisible. Now, to make the triangle visible at this point here, I let the pen down first, and then I orient the turtle 150 degrees to the left. Why is that? Because at this point, the turtle is oriented towards that direction, and we want the turtle to be oriented to this one here. Now this angle here is 150 degrees. Now once we have oriented the turtle 150 degrees to the left, we go forward with what length? The length is A. This is actually 250 multiplied with the square root of 3. Now, why is the length of the side of the triangle like this one here? Note that this triangle that I made is equilateral, this side here, okay, this side here, this side here, and the third side here. They are all having the same lengths. We call this triangle equilateral. Now, why is the length at 250 radical 3? Because since this is equilateral, that means this angle here is 60 degrees. That means this one is 30 degrees. Now, if I draw a line perpendicular to this one here, then it's gonna be like this. So this is a right angle, this is 30 degrees, and this one is gonna be, okay, this one is gonna be a 60 degrees. Now remember, in a special triangle, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, we have a extended ratio of sides, like this is 2x, this is x, and this is x radical 3. Now since our 2x is 250, then our x becomes is 125, and this one here is 125. Now, for the whole side of the triangle that we are drawing here, it is 250 radical 3. So let's go back here. Let's go back here. Um, we are going to draw a 250 radical 3 from this point to this point. And this is actually our A. So here it is. We draw forward a line that is 250 radical 3. And then at this point here, the turtle is directed towards that, but we want the turtle to be oriented like this, and this one is 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Okay. And after rotating the turtle 120 degrees, again we draw the line with length 250 radical 3. That is our A. And then once we reach this point here, we again turn the turtle because at this point the turtle is directed towards that. We rotate the turtle like that, and this is 120 degrees again to the left, and then here, and then we draw a line with length 250 radical 3. Now once we are done with one full triangle here, we will draw the second triangle. Now the second triangle should not be um, the same triangle that we drew here first. What I mean is that it is a bit off from the radiating line here. Okay, what we need to do is make the turtle be reoriented so that it goes back to the orientation like this. But at this point, the last orientation of the turtle is like this. Okay, like this, like this. This is the last orientation. Now, this last orientation of the turtle, this is actually 30 degrees. Now we want that to be like this. So we have to, okay, this is 30 degrees. So we have to make the turtle go back to the original orientation. This is 0. But then we're going to draw the next triangle. So we have to reorient the turtle another angle like that. And this one here, we want this to be 10 degrees. Now, why 10 degrees? Because I'm going to draw 12, 12 triangles over the span of 120 degrees here. So 120 degrees divided by 12 is going to be uh, 10 degrees. So what happens here is 30 degrees, the original orientation, minus 10 degrees here, it's gonna be 20 degrees. This one here, 20. Okay, this iteration is repeated 12 times, so there will be 12 triangles like this. What will happen after the 12 triangles is there will be a, a vacant space in the middle, vacant space in the middle here, and I'm gonna fill that space up with just the concentric circles so that the image is going to be um, more attractive to look at. So the first radius of the circle is 100. The second radius of the circle is 75, and then we have radius 50, radius 25, and then finally radius 0. These are the circles in the middle of the figure here, and then we hide the turtle. Now this is how the image is generated by this Python turtle code.